In today's digital age, quick notifications about natural disasters are essential for our safety. Earthquakes are one of those unpredictable situations, but with the help of a Samsung smartphone, you can stay one step ahead. In this 2023 tutorial, we will show you how to easily enable earthquake alerts on your Samsung phone. This feature will provide you with valuable information and help you stay safe in the event of an earthquake. Regardless of your level of experience, follow our steps and learn how to utilize your Samsung phone to receive important earthquake alerts. We can start. First, open the settings on your phone. Then scroll down until you find the safety and emergency option. Once you find it, click on it. Now, in the middle of the screen, you'll see the earthquake alerts option. Click on it. All you need to do now to enable this option is to click the switch here, and your option will be active. It's quite important, especially if you live in an area prone to earthquakes. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, please leave a like.